Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to log in to Chase online banking. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you accessing your account in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a device with internet access. Could be your phone, tablet, or computer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Chase website. Just type in www.chase.com and hit enter. Once you're there, look for the big Login button, usually front and center on the homepage. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the login page. Now, this is where your personal details come into play. You'll see fields for your username and password. Make sure you've got these handy. Your username is typically the email or ID you set up when you opened your account. Type in your username first, then your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check that caps lock isn't on. After you enter your credentials, Chase might ask for an extra layer of security, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email. This is called two-factor authentication, and it's there to keep your money safe. Just follow the prompts to verify, and voila, you're in. If you run into any hiccups, like forgetting your password, don't panic. There's usually a "Forgot username, password" link on the login page. Click that, and Chase will guide you through resetting it securely. Pro tip: always use a strong, unique password and enable biometric login if available to add an extra shield against cyber threats. And there you have it. Logging into Chase online banking is quick, secure, and hassle-free. Once you're logged in, you can check your balances, transfer money, or pay bills with ease. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.